Hey, what's happening, Sneaky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That weekly heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly heat. So these are the hottest shoes.
From August 10th to August 17th, I'm gonna go ahead and start it off. So starting off on August 16th, we do have the Jordan 12 French Blue. This is coming in the family sizes. Men's pairs will be 205, grade school will be 150, little kids will be $90, and toddlers and infants will be $75. And this is the classic shoe, which hasn't been re-retroed in a while. So the original French Blue came out in 2004, 20 years, but this is coming back to us here for 2025. It does feature all the classic hits as usual. Predominantly of the upper is all white. We look to the side, we do see that French Blue right in the middle of the midsole. We do see that Jumpman in silver. Move around to the back, we do see that classic standard Jordan 12 back tab with the Jordan Jumpman at the top, Jordan patch in the middle, saying we do see that 23 in red. It does make the shoe pop. I do really like that fit in red. Move around to the bottom of the shoe, we do see the regular outsole, the Jordan 12. See that Jumpman at the very top in white. Do see that carbon shank plate in red. Overall, bottom of the shoe is predominantly blue. It's just a classic shoe. Looking at the tongue, we do see that 2-3 on the tongue is normal. And then as we look at the eyelids, these do come with some silverish eyelids. Do think this is a clean shoe for the summer. Overall, I am rocking these. Let me know down in the comments, think your heads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on to the next shoe. On the same day, it's rumored that the Nigel Sylvester ones, OG Better With Time, are releasing on August the 16th. The reason why I say that is because these haven't been loaded up on the Nike Sneakers app. This does come at an elevated price point of $165. Predominantly of the shoe is all black. It does feature like some scuff marks on there, like it's been riding with on the BMX bike. I don't know if this paint is supposed to deteriorate or peel away into some other type of colors, but only time will tell when we get our pairs in hand. This does feature predominantly black shoe. You does see that sail midsole. So if we look at the tongue, we do see those sail laces in the shoe, which really make the shoe pop. Tongue is white. As we move up to the top, we do see that Bike Air logo branding on the tongue. I do think it's a nice touch, in my opinion. You see the bottom of the shoe. We do see that red making the shoe pop. Move around to the back of the shoe. You do see the standards OG Wings logo. Overall, whoever designed the shoe really did a nice job. It is very clean and simple. I don't know if people are going to like those little scuff marks on the shoe or not, but if you're just looking to these to skateboard or ride the BMX bike, I can see these being a hit. As we know that Nigel seems like he's taking over for the #1 collaborations. Only time will tell if this shoe would do as good as the Brick by Bricks, but we wish you the best of luck if you want these, because we know the resellers are going to be out there trying to scoop these up. So these will be hard to get. However, these shoes haven't been uploaded to the Sneakers app, so I can see these being pushed back. So make sure you stay tuned, hit that bell for notifications so we can update you on this shoe and any other future shoes such as this.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others.
peace.